It's on the angle, Phil. It's slightly wonky donkey. Slightly wonky donkey.
Oh, I've got something to say to the camera, by the way.
Okay. Is this confession?
Let me just turn it around. It could be a confession. It could be a confession, Dan. So we're going to do a taste in a minute, aren't we, Dan?
Are we? That's a surprise.
Yes.
We're always tasting, Phil.
We're always tasting, but we're going to taste our beer that we made together.
Yes. Oh, yeah, we do. It was
So
kind
we
of
made it together.
We kind of heated it up and put it in a thing. It wasn't. It wasn't this
What do you call
amount.
that? An extract.
It's an extract. With an extract kit.
Right. But we're gonna taste the beer together, aren't we?
We are for the first time. I'm sure it'll be gorgeous.
Will it be a first time for me?
Yes.
Will it be a first time for you?
I'm sure it will be.
Will it really?
Yes. How can I leave a beer which has probably been there for 2 months and not actually taste it?
So viewers, this won't be a first time tasting for Dan, will it? Dan couldn't resist.
But be honest, the beer does change over time. So when I'm tasting it, you know, a couple of weeks further on,
so
it will give a different taste.
Have you just had the one beer out of it?
I've just had the one beer because you were so offended at the time I had that that beer. I told you about it. So next time I'm going to enjoy the beer, but I'm not going to tell about it. Yeah.
I can't believe it.
I'll fill it up with stuff from the shop.
I can't believe it.
Yeah.
Right then.
So this is a tasting session, and this is the tasting session of the bitter. It's the bitter that we got from the range simple bitter.
Yeah, I'll put a. You'll see it.
Yeah.
It's
We'll do this down below, is it?
Down there, up there. Again.
So this is the range bitter. This has been brewed. It's probably ready. Probably
5 weeks ago now.
Yeah, it's probably more than that. It's probably been done about 6 weeks ago.
You can check your book.
We can check my book if you want to. I'm just opening it.
But this is the extract.
Yeah, this is the extract kit. Yeah. So this is the first testing of this beer.
Oh, a bit of fizz. Not too much. I like it. I don't like a lot.
Yeah. And it being an extract kit, it should be fairly clear as well because we didn't use any extra grains with it. Oh, that's a lovely head of that one. Look at that.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah. So there might be a little bit of yeast in the bottom, but I would say that looks perfect to me. Look at that.
You can pour a bit.
Look at that. It's the practice I've got, Phil. There we go. That's.
Any yeast in the bottom?
It'll be a little bit. That looks a lovely pint that you could expect to get from a pub.
Yeah, it's looking good.
So, so the first thing I think we're going to do is just have a quick look at it and the appearance, as we said.
It's a bit cloudy. We're not using any Irish moss or any chemicals to clear our beer, though. We're going au naturel, aren't we?
A bit is darker anyway, isn't it? So it's not as if it's meant to be a clear.
Not tasting it, we
clear
smell.
Look, you can see there's slight carbonation in there. You can see the bubbles. It's not too much, but it's quite nice.
Yeah, it's looking really ale.
Yeah, so a bit of smell. What do you think of the aromas?
Yeah, it's alright. It's sweet.
Oh. Saved a nick of time. Who's that? Who's that? That's my dad.
Is that it?
Another ginger brewer.
Put that beer down, son.
Yeah. Dad will have to wait because the beer is coming in first tonight. So, have a taste.
Cheers,
Phil. Yeah.
Alright, here we go. This is brew number 2 for me. It's drinkable.
It's certainly a bitter. You got that taste. It doesn't have too much complexity to it for me. It's more of a harsher taste to that than a smooth bit that I'm normally used to. Because we did actually pump up this kit. We actually used DME rather than sugar, so it should be better than what the recipe suggested. So,
or maybe you've, or maybe we're putting that sugar, that DME in instead of, what was it tell you to put? Normal sugar.
Yeah, sugar.
Would have been like a thinner.
I think, yeah, but you're losing the body to it. So the idea with the DME is you get that extra body to your beer, so it tastes more like a grain malt rather than diluting it down with the sugar, which affects the taste and the body of the beer.
What are your thoughts on it? What you're out of 10?
I would say that's a 6.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, compared to the previous all grain one that we did, I think that's probably an 8.5. It was, you know, and that was a simple smash basis. So look, it's the same colour as the sort of the all grain one we're trying to brew now, with the sort of the dark malt to it, the caramel malt, the pale malt. It's that kind of mixture, so it feels like we're going in the right direction anyway, as in sort of colour. And yeah, it's certainly a beer that you could have bought from a shop. I don't think it's standing out to me.
I don't. Well, I'm not sure if I'd buy another one.
Unfortunately, we've got 40 pints or.
We've got a lot of these.
Yeah, but I think 7 pints to drink. I think 7 pints more of this stuff to drink. So, what alcohol percentage was it? Can you remember? You're talking about 4%, 4.3.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that. So, yeah.
Not bad. Not bad. Not brilliant, no. Bit disappointed actually.
Yeah.
It's not awful.
Yeah, but
it's just
certainly you could drink it, but you might drink it towards the end of the night rather than the start of the night. Yeah. Oh, we'll save this one.
It's definitely 5 to 12.
I tell you what, Phil, we'll save this one from when the boys come around. Cheers, boys.
So this was the made from the malt extract from the range.
Yeah, the bitter.
A bitter from the range, the malt extract, which I give it a 5.6, but it's bottled quite well.
Yeah.
I've got to do a follow up for that. Steve, what do you think?
Genuinely nice beer. I like it.
Yeah, marks out of 10.
I'll give it a 6.
A 6.
Yeah.
Only had a couple of slurps, but there we go.
I'd go 6 as well.
Well, seeing as this is my 4th glass since I arrived 20 minutes ago, I think it's probably going all right. I'd probably give it a solid 7.
Yeah, is it a session beer?
I'm already session.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'd certainly have plenty more.
Yeah, would you buy that at a pub if it was on offer?
Yes.
Please? Yeah. What's your thoughts?
The next one
I think very high quality, good company, takes me to places I never knew I could go.
Yeah. Wait till tomorrow morning.